I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make all posts public on Facebook. First, open your Facebook application or website. Look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines or a downward arrow, and tap or click it. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then proceed to Settings. This will take you to your main account settings where you can begin adjusting your post visibility. Next, within your privacy settings, scroll down to Your Activity section. Here, you will find an option labeled Limit Who Can See Past Posts. Click or tap on this. A prompt will appear explaining the change. Confirm your decision to apply this setting, which will change the audience of your past posts from friends to public. This action affects posts shared with friends or friends of friends. Now, let's ensure your future posts are public by default. In the same privacy settings, locate the section titled Who Can See Your Future Posts. Click or tap on this option. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Public from the choices. This simple step means that every new post you create will automatically be visible to everyone on and off Facebook, without needing to change it each time. Finally, it's always a good practice to review your privacy settings regularly. Remember, making posts public means anyone can see them, including people not on Facebook. Take a moment to understand the implications of this change. You can always revert these settings if you wish to adjust your audience again. This guide helps you manage your Facebook post visibility effectively and easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.